Hello friends, Beth with Crafty Corner, and I am back today with a super cute summer project for your next get-together. It is personalized drink pouches with Cricut vinyl. These are a very simple project and it's great for beginners. Be sure to like this video and subscribe so that you can see all of our awesome Cricut videos. Alright, let's get to it. This is the pack of drink pouches I bought on Amazon. It came with a ton of these pouches as well as the straws and a little funnel for easy pouring. The first thing I do is measure the space that I have to work with on the pouch. Remember that the bottom will be pushed out with the liquid in it, so you can decide if you want to go all the way down or not. Next, I'm going to start a new project in Design Space and click on Shapes and then the square. I want to size this square to the measurement I just found on the pouch. I'm also going to change the color here so you can see it a little bit better. Now that I have my template, I am going to select text and type the name and select the font I would like to use, which is usually my hardest part of designing. I even still changed my mind after that. When I'm ready, I'm going to hide my template and hit Make It. I'm using a Cricut Maker 3 today with Smart Vinyl, so I'm going to select Without a Mat. But if you have an older machine, you can definitely do this on a mat as well. I'm going to rotate this to use less of the vinyl vertically, then hit Continue, and select my material as Smart Vinyl. I can now load my Smart Vinyl and cut. I am using a roll holder for my vinyl today to keep it nice and tidy. After it is all done cutting, I'm going to weed it. This is the process of removing unwanted vinyl. Don't forget the inside of the letters as well. Next, I have a piece of transfer tape that I will peel the backing off and place on my vinyl. I want to use my scraper and really burnish it down, both the front and the back. When I think it's burnished well, I can remove the vinyl backing carefully, making sure that the vinyl is stuck to the transfer tape. Then I can place it right onto the drinking pouch, right where I want it. You could measure to find the exact middle, or you can just eyeball it, whatever you prefer. I use my fingers to press down so that it sticks well to the plastic pouch. Finally, all that's left to do is to remove the transfer tape. And that's it. Super simple, but so much fun. Make them for everyone in your group. The kids absolutely loved drinking from these pouches and thought they were so cool. Thank you for watching our video today. If you would like to watch another Cricut project video, click here. If you're looking for some vinyl, click here to check out Craft-e-Corner.com and click here to subscribe to our channel. See you next time.